So quick tutorial now. Not really a tutorial, just a tip. So best practice is when updating your content is to hold back any apps, disable new apps in content, so that you don't end up in a situation where you've got things being matched against the wrong application and allowed, or conversely denied. Look at, because you get so used to seeing a line of stuff and so on. Well, you know anyway. Right, so this is dead simple. The way to do it is to come to Objects, Applications, and then get this drop down here, Disable Applications. Now, when you do that, this doesn't illuminate, so you can't do it that way. And I have tried just doing it that way, and you come to here. Okay, but if you do that, nothing, not a sausage. So the advice is to go for the base. Okay, take all these off, and then enable and click yes. Or conversely, what you could do is you could look at the base app, and then here, app ID enabled, no, enable, and it brings you to the same screen. Do that, that's enabled. You now got no more disabled apps, all is well, and you can commit. And okay, and as we can see, the only error I've got now is this one, and that is because I need to put a certificate profile for my threat feed on Cortex, and that's it. So it is best practice to hold back your applications, especially if you're in a... So there's two ways Palo look at it. So it's either, if you are in a security conscious environment, then hold back the applications for review, so download but don't install. If you are in connectivity orientated environment, so like you need big uptime and everything like that, and security isn't so much of an issue, then download them and install, and then you can troubleshoot later. But I guess best practice it would be to download them and evaluate them anyway. That's probably which way I tend to go. So you need to know how to hold them back, and also to enable them when the time comes. So there you go, that's that done. See you later.